garage. Well, my dad called me last night and he said his old 1997 Chevrolet 1500 is not running good. So I told him to bring it up here and we'd take a look at it today and see if we can find out what was causing it to run bad. Put on here and put a little load on it there. Of course, it won't do it when you want it to. There it is. Well, it does have the service engine soon light on, so we'll plug the scanner into it and see what it reads there. But I can feel it's dropping one cylinder misfire, and kind of think maybe the distributor cap is cracked, but we'll see here. Up the 1997 Chevrolet 1500, and it has the Vortec engine, but it's also the central port fuel injection. So it has a central injector that fires nozzles out to each cylinder, to each individual cylinder, and those are known to crack and have some issues. But I don't think that's the problem we're having here today. I think what we have going on here today is that we have a distributor cap that is crossfiring in it, they're carbon tracking. So we're going to take a look at that. We also are going to take a look at the spark plugs and see what kind of condition those are in there. So we're going to get started here. Cool. These have an odd distributor cap, and I'm not really sure what it's called. You can see there, they have each individual plug wire goes into it, and they're labeled, and then there's a pattern that they fire in there. So we'll pull that off. All right, so we got the distributor cap off, and here's kind of what we found here is the button here is supposed to be in the distributor cap here. It had fallen down here, and the tab that it rides on is completely wore out. So pretty sure that the distributor cap here and this rotor are the problem. Now these are a funny cap here. You can see they're numbered 1, 7, 3, 5, etc. there. And you can see where they actually, the pattern which they follow here. And I have seen these before where they'll short out in between the two here and cause a misfire. So we're going to change this cap and rotor and see how she runs. I did pull some spark plugs on the other side, and they look just fine. So we're going to give this a go here. We're going to run in town and get a new distributor cap and rotor. All right, so we replaced the cap and rotor on it and checked the spark plugs. Spark plugs are in really nice shape. Didn't look like they had that many miles on them. They were platinum, so we left them in there. And did see a little bit of rubbing on the coil wire on one of the other wires. We rerouted the coil wire, put cap and rotor on it, and she's running good, hitting on all 8 cylinders. No longer popping or banging or anything like that. And then we cleared the trouble codes here too, and no codes coming back. So we're good there, and he'll be good to go there. I think it was going to leave you walking if that lucky it misfired.
And then call a taxi cab.
Yeah, there you go. All right, well, thank you for watching today's episode of Rust Out Garage.
Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. You got him. Good job, bud. There you go. Good job.
These are crazy.
Here, give me your pull. Hang on, he's got a hook in his mouth. Here, take the video. It's recording, bud, so just point it at the fish. Fish has got a hook in his mouth. Oh, he's barely hooked.
He got hooks on the top.
Yep. Okay, there's your second fish, bud.
Yeah. 2 fish of the day. Hey,
Second fish. Good job, bud.
Dad,
Point it over here.
that's my...
There he goes. Slimy fish.
Yeah, they're fishy, slimy.